A core principle of osteopathic medicine is the commitment to community health and service. And so National D.O. Day of Service is a national initiative across all osteopathic medical schools where students organize and partake in community service events that reflect that message. And so here at MSU Com, we have 22 events going on today, 180 students participating across our 3 campuses in East Lansing, Macomb, and Detroit. And the main goal of today is to just get out into our local communities and make a meaningful impact. It's important as us as future physicians to recognize the importance of community service and how being physicians isn't just about treating individual patients, but caring for the whole community. And participating in community service is one way that we can put that into practice as medical students.
A big part of osteopathic medicine and our training as osteopathic physicians is not only understanding our patients, our future patients in the clinic and in the classroom, but also understanding what the community means in terms of bettering health for everybody. Our community and the systems that support us are a big part of our education and our careers as future physicians. So I think identifying the problems that are out there and what we can fix as future advocates for our patients in our communities is really important.
We have a lot of events, packing events where students have donated goods, where we just pack them up, ship them out to local communities. We also have events in the community, at local gardens, zoos.
For me specifically, I guess, I am someone who tries to be pretty connected with my community, both in terms of, like, as a physician, I want to make connections with my future patients. And so I think our community and the systems that shape us they're very intertwined with our health. So I think just being able to go out and really connect with those people and connect with those bigger systems is a great part of our education. And really, it kind of connects back to how osteopathic medicine is we want to treat the whole patient and their whole lifestyle.
By getting out into the community, we get to see our future patient population, and committing to community service events, we get to interact with those people and see how the environment impacts community health.
Overall, the goal is it's not about any one person, it's not about any one school, it's about a bigger cause and the meaning of osteopathic medicine and helping our community.